Share with you another journal that I've made, and this journal here is a bird and bee and butterfly and dragonfly. It's got anything with wings, it's in here. The kit that I used is called Winged Elements, and it's from Dreamzetc, and I will link them below. But I have used other ephemera from other designers like ARTYmaze and I think ARTYmaze. So I do like making journals with birds and bees and butterflies. I do like my butterflies. So the cover, let's do the measurements. The measurements is 8 by 5 1/4. It has one signature. There are how many pages in this? There are 76 pages in this journal, and I've kind of done the full leather look as a base, and then obviously covered most of it up. It's got in between the layers, because I've used brown packaging, but in between the two sheets of brown packaging that I used, there is Tyvek and cardstock, so it's a nice thick cover. So use that packaging. I had got a massive big roll of brown packaging from an Amazon order. I think it was pillows that I'd ordered, and I think I must have about 50 meters of it. How they managed it, it was pillows, you know, it wasn't like it was going to smash or anything, but there was so much wrapping. I was delighted when I saw it. I was like, I'm keeping that. So anyway, keep that kind of stuff and use it. ARTYmaze has got me hooked on using like brown paper bags and things like that at the moment with her Junk in the Trunk series that she's doing, which is absolutely amazing. If you haven't already watched them, head on over to ARTYmaze's website and watch her Junk in the Trunk, and then all her lovely tags that she's making using scraps and things like that. Absolutely amazing. So anyway, back to the journal, enough of me rambling on. For a change here, I done the 5-hole pamphlet stitch. Haven't done it in ages, so I decided to do that on this one. Let me open it. It's eyelets and string as a closure, and this will be linked in my this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So the main papers are from Dreamzetc, and like I said, that will be linked below. They're gorgeous papers. Used some of it to decorate the inside. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you the back. That is the back as well. Kind of grungy. Love this butterfly. So one of the pages I cut down, well actually two of the pages I cut down and made pockets with, and I used envelopes as the base, and then just done some like kind of layered the pockets on top of one another to give me like 2 pockets. In actual fact, there's 4 pockets. There's the pocket behind, there's a pocket in there with the envelope, again pocket behind, and a pocket in here. So there's actually 4 pockets on there. So we have this image here, which is from ARTYmaze, and that's from her bee journal kit that she has, and so is this. Just me go in there. Ugh. This top pocket doesn't go all the way down to the bottom. It kind of only goes to there, so you can put something shorter in there. Kind of wasn't thinking I should have trimmed the bottom of it off, but it was too late. I just glued it on before I'd realised. So it says memories there. We have the double pocket down here as well, and then this one, this journal card here is from ARTYmaze, and it's from her bee collection. We have a brown paper bag, some digital ephemera. So I've done some napkins, decoupage them onto layers of the brown packaging, and then tea dyed paper. When I get the tea dyed paper, let me see if I can find one. I get sometimes the top layers when I'm coffee dyeing come out like really dark, and I don't particularly like them, so I just kind of fold them over and would kind of double that, like say onto a journal card, or, and for this I done it on a napkin. So don't throw nothing away, as Andrea says. So that's all sewn on. Postcard from ARTYmaze. Some crocheted trim. page from Dreamzetc. Here we've got a double pocket. Kind of like doing these double pockets. This was from one of the pages from Dreamzetc, and this was just a scrap piece from ARTYmaze. So we've got this journal card, and we have this. This was a freebie from ARTYmaze. You can find that on her website. Tag from her bee journal kit, and then this. Who was this? Was it Clemmy? I think it was Climmy's Creations. I'd seen that, and she had just like folded the paper lengthways, used a tab. You could use anything, you know, I don't have to use a tab. You could use something else, and then it tucks behind, and then you've got all that journaling space. So that was a great idea from Clemmy. We have a glassine bag which has been coffee dyed, a doily, some edge punching, some more digital ephemera, and that's from the Old Design Shop. Here we just have a journal card with a birdie down the bottom, and then just some ephemera, and it's just popped on there. Love this. Really nice. You could kind of cheat and go around all that with sewing, and it would kind of look like you've done some Franken pages. Here we've just got a postcard pocket, another decoupage napkin with all the layering, so it's nice and kind of, it's nice and soft, but you can still write on it. So that pops in there, and we have a stamped tag with a butterfly, another ARTYmaze tag, and a journal card. We have an envelope, so you can tuck things inside here. This is some of the brown packaging that I was talking about. It's all crinkled, it's nice, just adds a little bit of some more detail to the journal. Some more digital ephemera, some crocheted trim, centre of a signature, and as normal there's always lots of places to journal in my journals. So this envelope is from ARTYmaze, and that pops on there. And then on here that just tucks in, and this is another napkin that's been decoupaged onto the brown packaging and then coffee dyed paper. We have a postcard with the birds on it. It's from ARTYmaze. The other side of that brown packaging. This is a window envelope, so you can tuck something in there and you can peek through there. Another double pocket with another one of these flip down note, just I would call it a little notebook. So, and that just pops back up in there. That is a neat idea. Then we have another tag from ARTYmaze, and this is from Andrea's Dragonfly journal collection, and then that's just a journal card that was already printed and cut out in my stash. And then this is from ARTYmaze as well, the bee. You can do journaling on that page, and here we just have two pieces of ephemera, and you can just journal on them. The other side of the glassine bag. Here is the other double pocket that I made, and again that one, I think that one only goes down so far. Yeah, wasn't thinking. Wasn't one of my brightest days. So we've got the tag here, and we have this tag from ARTYmaze, Dragonfly journal card, again from ARTYmaze, and another dragonfly image. So it all just pops in there. Oh, I can't see. There we go. Nope. Oh, I'm just going to put it in here. Struggling here with my arm. So yeah, this was made from the Dreamzetc page that I cut down. It's another lovely page from the kit. Here we just have some ephemera and a journal card that you can write on. Or you could make more pockets with. Paper bag, some edge punching. This is just a glassine bag with just some crocheted trim down the bottom, and then in the pocket we have another decoupage napkin with the butterflies. The napkins that I used I actually got gifted to me from Terry Woods. I always say Terry Woods, it's not Terry Woods, it's Terry Wood. Terry Wood. And another butterfly stamped tag, and another dragonfly image. Yeah, Terry sent me a lovely bundle of napkins. So that is the back. So that's the journal. Feels nice. This would be great because there's no like embellishments on the front, so it would really pop in your bag nice and neatly without anything getting ripped off or torn. The front cover has been Mod Podged as well, so it's nice and sturdy. So there we have it. I'll put the links below, and like I said, this will be in my shop for sale. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.